This is the Chocolate Hills, an iconic destination not only here in Bohol but all of the Philippines. Today we're at Graham ATV to get a close-up and have a different experience. Here you'll see the main entrance and welcome area. You can get your pasalubong and other souvenirs for your trip.
Hello, good morning.
Next is the orientation. The cool thing about Graham ATV is that they have their own route and viewing deck. The tour roughly takes about an hour, and it's about 1,000 pesos for an ATV or 2,000 for a buggy which fits 2 people, plus 100 pesos environmental fee for the LGU. And the helmets are sanitized for your safety.
Let's go ATV.
Let's do this. I'm kind of excited, man.
Yeah, me too. Morning.
Hi, you guys, sir.
Jonathan, Alan.
Paolo. Nice to meet you, sir.
A quick lesson of ATV, and then it's time to explore. After about 10 to 15 minutes we stopped and our guide helped us get some great photos. Then it's back on the trail. We arrived at Bud Agta viewing deck. It's 360 steps to the top, but well worth it. Here you can take in the view and have a short rest. It's a perfect place to take some photos. A big shout out to my friend Paolo Rigotti for letting me use his drone footage from the day while I'm waiting for mine to arrive in the mail. Check out his YouTube channel where he does daily vlogs of his life here in Bohol. All the links will be below in the description. You can also see his video from today's adventure. We had a lot of fun ATVing around the Chocolate Hills, and I highly recommend trying it out if you're in the area. It makes for a great countryside tour. Start here in the Chocolate Hills, visit the Tarsiers, take a photo in the man-made forest, and then have lunch and go paddleboarding on the Loboc River. If you're planning to go from Alona Beach, Panglao, you'll be headed to the middle of the Big Island. Follow the coast and turn left in Loai, which will take you through Loboc, the man-made forest, and Tarsiers. Before you get to Carmen, you'll see the sign for Graham ATV on your left-hand side. Thanks for watching, and if you found the video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like or share it with a friend. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. Have an awesome day.